So there's the Adiyogi statue.
Namaskaram to all my Akka Anandas.
শুনেছে এবার আমরা স্টলে দিকে যাচ্ছি
Adiyogi statue.
What? It's happening, it's on, it's recording. So how is volunteering?
কি খাচ্ছিস তোরা এটা রাগি চিপস হ্যাঁ
Kanna is cutting the coconut. Hey guys, so welcome to another video, and this is another new day at the Isha Yoga Center. So abhi to dopahr ho raha hai, it's afternoon guys, so inside the ashram we cannot make vlogs, so at least today I'm going to be taking you to the Adiyogi Alayam. So right now I'm in front of the Sarpavasal. So if you guys can see that the Sarpavasal is here, so I'll just show it to you. So this is the Sarpavasal, so that is the entrance to the ashram, and if you guys want to go to the Adiyogi, so you've got to go straight there. So and in for refreshments you've got like I think that's Mundaram, yeah, so you guys can go to the Mundaram. Guys, so finally we've reached. So the bullock cart also stops here, so yahi pe bullock cart bhi stop ho jata hai. और आप लोग देख सकते हो, you can see the back of the Adiyogi statue. यहाँ पे जाएंगे, सबर कर लो आप लोग. We'll also see the front face. So guys, lots of people are here. तो अभी थोड़ा सा देख लो आप लोग, बहुत भीड़ है यहाँ पे. We've got the information center, volunteers, and that's the entire stage work. Okay, so it's still under construction, अभी भी चल रहा है सारा का सारा. So they're still making the platform. So this is the central stage where like Sadhguruji is gonna be like walking and dancing over here. So guys, this is the information center. If you guys want any information, you guys can come here. Ye log hai, Anna and Akka is there. So they've also got the pamphlets, like okay, so this is the Devi. Acha, this is in Tamil. English wala kuch hai? Acha. Okay, so this is the Dhyana Linga one. Okay, so this is the Linga Bhairavi pamphlet. Okay, so in these pamphlets, you get all the timings and all. Kya kya hai? Can you see? Offerings, daily Abhishekam, Aarti, Shri Yogini Trust, everything's there. So this is where you'll be giving. Or let's just okay. So this is all the information about like whatever the Devi temple has to offer, whatever the ashram has to offer through the Devi temple. So like there are rituals for adults, children, like for every age group. So like guys, you can definitely give a visit to the Devi temple. And this is the Dhyana Linga one, guys. Just se dekh lo. यही हम लोग का गुरुजी है यहाँ पे. Guys, you can save a tree for just ₹42, and it's written in Tamil, but it's, you can save a tree. That's awesome. So that stall is closed. Or Akka, Safe Soil? What about Safe Soil?
Actually the free yoga sessions which happens in the ashram.
Free yoga sessions. Uppa Yoga and Isha Kriya. These are the free sessions. Kitna baje se Anna?
From 9:30 AM onwards, every half an hour the program will be happening.
Acha, 9:30 AM onwards, 30 minutes, and kitna baje tak hota hai ye wala? Like for how long?
Till evening.
Till evening continuously.
Around 3 PM or something, it will be continuously happening.
Okay. Acha.
And there's also an Amkar meditation which happens 12:30 to 1:15 PM.
Okay, so the Amkar meditation is from 12:30 to 1:15 PM. Acha. Alright, wow. So guys, if you guys want the free meditation sessions, you can also come to the ashram, and they can visit any day, right?
Any day, anytime.
It's like 24/7 ही खुला रहता है वो वाला. अच्छा. So guys, this is the website, and that's the QR code. तो आप लोग scan कर सकते हो यहाँ से. So
And they can also give a missed call to 8300
3003. Guys, I'll also be putting it in the description. Or this is the website, consciousplanet.org, and अच्छा से देख लो आप ये QR code, इसको scan कर लो, and guys, you can also become a part of the Safe Soil movement. Each one reach one. And हम लोग के गुरुजी तो है ही यहाँ पे.
8000030003.
3000. Done. I'll put it in the description. So, thank you so much, Anna. Akka, thank you so much. So, guys, there's a lot of people here. बहुत सारे लोग हैं. चप्पल वप्पल खोल के जा रहे हैं. तो यहाँ से
15 मिनिटाचं बसूया त्या झोपडीत शांत होऊन.
stage. This is the back side of the stage, and also. So यहाँ तक है. बस you can just, for guests it's just till the ropeway area. And oh my god, he is amazing, guys. So you cannot go to the other side, but I'm so lucky, कल हम लोग जब production के लिए आए थे, we actually went there. We took an entire circle, around Adiyogi, and from there we put the Raj down. तो चलिए थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आते हैं. Okay, so this is, they're having the puja there. So this is the mandapam in front of the Adiyogi statue. So there's the Adiyogi statue. So let's try to go close. Okay, so here they are having the mandapam, the puja. So I think you can also get vibhuti and puja over here, the puja items, and that's the Adiyogi. So today, our main department is the Bay Area. So we are looking after the stalls. So we'll be going there shortly. But before that, we came here a little bit late and we missed the Samskritit program. There was a little bit of dance happening, and what to say, about Adiyogi ji. So nothing more to tell about him. But we'll look for people who are working at the stalls, other volunteers, and we'll try to get to know a little bit more about the details of what kind of stalls they have, or what kind of events they'll be having, sort of a general schedule for the Mahashivratri night. So we are here, we are done, and we'll be going to the stalls. So here I've got Orudro. Hi bolo de shobai ke. Hi. Bhaipo. Rohan, that's Rohan guys.
Namaskaram to all my Akka and Annas.
শুনেছে এবার আমরা স্টলে
This
দিকে
is
যাচ্ছি.
Adiyogi statue. কত height?
112 feet.
12 feet. 112 feet. যেটা এক কথায় 112টা চক্র।
হ্যাঁ
এটা হচ্ছে
মানে
বেসিক
symbolism.
হ্যাঁ।
Anna is also here. Anna, hi बोल दो थोड़ा कैमरा में.
Hello.
आपका कौन सा बे? Anna, which bay are you volunteering in?
I am in the decoration
अच्छा,
team.
you're in the decoration team.
Yes, and currently doing in the campfire.
Okay, अभी कोई क्या प्रोग्राम है Anna? Tell me what are, do they have any programs here for the general public? या ऐसा कुछ है क्या? हाँ, today अभी. इसके बाद?
आज तो दिव्य दर्शनम होगा.
अच्छा, आज होगा कितना बजे?
डेली होता है ये.
ओके, डेली होता है.
हाँ जी.
कितना बजे से है ना?
7:20.
इतना दिन में कहा था. आज मिस नहीं करना है.
Okay.
आज देखिए. अच्छा, थैंक यू सो मच. सो गाइस, यू हर्ड फ्रॉम अन्ना. दिव्य दर्शन आज देखने का कोशिश करेंगे, बट इट्स अराउंड 7:20. पता नहीं खाना खाने के लिए भी जाना है. सो लेट्स गो टू द स्टॉल्स. विल बी देयर इन जस्ट अ फ्यू मिनट्स. Hey guys, so right now I'm in front of the the stall section. So this is the eastern part of the Adiyogi statue. That's the Adiyogi statue is right behind me. And on these sides, you have all the stalls that are going to be set up for Mahashivratri. So in the beginning, at the start, you have the medical stalls, and from there, you have all the food stalls and the game stalls. A lot of things are going to be, here for Mahashivratri. So let's just, I think one of the stalls, they're setting it up. The others one are empty. You can see, that these stalls are all empty. But over there, I think, they're just unloading one of the stalls. So, we'll try to find out, what the stall is about, and let's get to know what they're doing. Okay. So they have these are all the
Where is Mehendi stall?
decorative items, all the furniture, mostly, the furniture is coming.
It's supposed to be the first one.
Anna, where are you taking these ones?
25.
25.
These are the food stalls.
Food stall, is it far?
For us only.
25, I'll hop on? Yeah. Okay. Guys, let's hop on. Chalo. Okay. That's super stuff. Okay, so we'll be taking all these.
Namaskar.
Anna, you guys staying here? Just put the tables inside.
Money. Which number?
Okay, so guys, we'll be taking these stalls and we'll be going to the food stall, and Anna and Akka is there, so they'll be telling me about their stall once we get there.
Have you noted the stapler?
Anna, Akka, tell me a little bit about your stall. Who's gonna tell me?
Akka, can you please tell
Acha,
something
let
about
her
your
do the
stall?
work, let her finish the talk.
About the stall, you have to talk about the stall.
Hey, careful! Hey, pakad lo. Hold
This
it.
this was recorded, right?
Yeah, it was
So
recorded.
if this was recorded, then it was nice.
It will get more views.
Ah, of course.
Then we'll show them how accidents happen. Maybe we managed to prevent one.
You know, maybe we have to cut it, you know? So guys, you shouldn't be doing like this. Okay, always hold the part. So Akka, tell me a little bit like what exactly is this all about? Anna, Akka.
Why is there nothing happening there?
What? It's happening, it's on, it's recording. So what's this all about?
It's about
It's about yes, you know, they'll guess.
Top secret. Yeah.
it's about having fun, and that is what we have been having, you know, for the past 5 years. A lot of fun.
So like what have you guys been up to?
So we are planning to have some games over there.
Loads of games.
Wow.
We were expecting a little more space. If we would have a little more space, we would have actually made it more fun.
Like a circus.
And we would actually have a grand
Like a
racing
fair, right?
Yeah.
Yes, basically that's the whole point.
That was the plan, but then
But we still made it happen.
But it's
somehow.
okay, it's gonna happen, you know, on
Yeah.
Shivratri it's gonna happen,
Yeah.
right?
Kids are gonna be happy, adults are gonna be happy.
Oh, so it's mostly for
everybody
kids.
happy.
It's
Happy.
mostly for
No.
okay for everyone.
archery, so kids will not be doing archery.
Ah.
We have kids. We don't have kids. We have darts. Archery,
And
what do we have?
We have everything.
Shooting. There's gonna be a lot of shooting.
balloon, the balloon one?
No,
The guns?
ducks. We're shooting ducks.
Ducks.
We're
Okay.
shooting ducks.
You'll be
Yeah, but they are,
And
they are
I'll be
fish,
waiting
and
for that.
fish as
Fish.
well.
Toy,
ducks.
toy ducks and toy fish.
No
We
toy
can
ducks,
keep
no
it
toy.
here because we don't have place there.
We don't have a place for man. We keep it there.
hold from back.
Nails are not here. This side nails are there.
Careful, Nana. Okay, on the floor?
By the wall.
Okay, by the wall. Sure. This one is fragile. A little bit closer to the wall. Perfect.
What is that token food stall? मुझे एक भी ग्लास वाला नहीं मिला फूड स्टॉल
ये फूड स्टॉल में ये क्या
मतलब क्या सजाएंगे वो इसमें
अरे वो ग्लास सच कुछ डाल देंगे यहाँ पे और कुछ था टेबल अगर
नहीं मिला कुछ
साधना
हेलो
एमएसआर साधना तो मेरा भी चल रहा है मैंने खा लिया
दो टाइम
Money, not like this. What are you doing like this?
आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग यू
No. Should we ask them to get the table over there?
The mehndi table.
That table over there.
Last table.
There's one table over there.
Thank you, Akka.
मोस्ट वेलकम
Akka, where are you from? Which state?
आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली
Delhi, okay. So how is volunteering?
इट्स ग्रेट
Great. So you're also in charge of this stall, right?
नॉट ऑफ दिस स्टॉल बट आई एम इन चार्ज ऑफ पोट्री स्टॉल
Okay. Acha, Akka. Where is the pottery stall?
दैट हट
That's on the west में ना? On the
दैट हट
Sun side.
या
okay. तो फिर वहाँ पे भी जाएंगे. I'll be taking an entire round. महाशिवरात्रि में आ जाएंगे आपका स्टॉल में, ठीक है?
प्लीज करो दैट
Definitely. You guys are going, right?
वेयर आर यू गोइंग
That table.
Where? You guys are coming back, right?
Yeah, we're coming back. We're getting one table and we're coming back.
Okay. Hey guys, so अभी हम लोग का volunteering almost खत्म हो गया. You know, the volunteering is over and you know we are having like a short break. So इस जगह पे सभी के सभी अभी थोड़ा खा पी रहे हैं यहाँ पे. तो ना खाना वाना हो गया क्या आप लोगों का? You guys finished? খাওয়া শেষ?
No, food is been left for you. Do you want
কোথায় কি খাবার আছে? ওই খাবারটা কোথায় গেল?
এই অবস্থা
আমি খাবো না, আমার তো ভাই এমএসআর সাধনা চলছে না. কে খাবে? এইটা খা.
তুমি খাবে?
এটা কি? What's that? কি খাচ্ছিস তোরা?
দেখছি রাগি চিপস।
রাগি চিপস?
হ্যাঁ।
ফাটিয়ে তো। কি কিছু বললো কেউ না যে এইখানে ক্যামেরা ঘোরাতে না? না শুনবো শুনবো। খা 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 খাবি তো তোরা? খেয়ে নে আরে
কি অবস্থা ব্লগিং এর
আরে না তো আর কতক্ষণ বসতে হবে আমাদের এখানে? কতক্ষণ বসতে হবে এখানে আমাদের? কতক্ষণ আর শেষ হয়ে গেছে কি? আর তো কিছু দিচ্ছে না কাজ?
বসিয়ে রেখে দিয়েছি। আচ্ছা তাহলে আমরা ফেরত চলে যেতে পারি না হেঁটে?
না 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 এরকম হবে না, থাকতে হবে বসে। যত না গাড়ি এসছে বলে হেঁটে এসছি।
হ্যাঁ আমরা হেঁটে এসেছি, গাড়িতে এসেছে।
ना আমি হেঁটেই এসেছি, আমি হেঁটে তোদের মতনই। गाइस आज एकादशी था इसीलिए लाइक कुछ खाया नहीं है, लेकिन पहले सोचा था नारियल नहीं पियेंगे, लेकिन वो तो पानी है ना, पानी तो पी सकते हैं। तो अभी यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं, यहाँ पे आप लोग भी आके नारियल पानी पी सकते हो। अका नारियल पानी कितना करके? हाउ मच? कोकोनट 40 रुपीज़। अका मीठा होगा ना? स्वीट कोकोनट एक दे दो आप अच्छे से।
ओनली वाटर मलाई
ना ओनली वाटर। अका एकादशी में तो नारियल तो पी सकते हैं ना, पानी वाटर दे दीजिए एक तो। अन्ना विल कट द नारियल। आ जाए वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा।
वाटर
अन्ना इज कटिंग द कोकोनट। मीठा है ना अन्ना? स्वीट राइट? अरे नाइस स्टॉल। तो अगर आप लोग नारियल पीने आते हो, बहुत मीठा है, यहाँ पे आ जाओ आप लोग। अक्का एंड अन्ना दोनों यहाँ पे बहुत मीठे हैं, नारियल की तरह। तो चलो पी लेते हैं पहले। Hey guys, so our volunteering just ended right now, and we're at the center of the Adiyogi statue. So you
by
can
signing up in consciousplanet.org website.
So over
or
there, the
give a
Adiyogi
missed call
statue is
to
there, and so many people.
800-003.
Guys, the Divya Darshan is starting. Can you see? Okay. So now what we'll do is like we'll be going out, we'll be heading back towards the ashram, because we have to do volunteering here, so I think until 9 or 10, and after that I think we'll be having our dinner. No, not after that, before that, in between while volunteering. So like let's just head outside. These are the Shivanga Sadhagas. These are the different processions. सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि